Zoho CRM Review 2026 Best CRM for Small Business Pricing and Free Plan. Why Zoho is on every small business owner's radar. Every small business owner knows the challenge. You need a powerful, centralized platform to manage leads and customers, but you can't afford the price tag or the complexity of enterprise systems like Salesforce. For years, the solution consistently pointed to one name: Zoho CRM. But in 2026, with so many new, sleek competitors entering the market, is Zoho still the best CRM for a growing small business? Today, we are reviewing the latest version of Zoho CRM. We will dive deep into the features that matter most to small teams: ease of use, AI, and customization. We will break down the pricing tiers, and I'll tell you the exact limitations of their famous free plan so you can decide if it's the right place to start your customer journey. Core features for small business: simplicity and automation. The single biggest selling point for Zoho CRM in the small business space is its balance of power and simplicity. Unlike some competitors, Zoho gives you robust enterprise features but keeps the user interface surprisingly clean and intuitive. Lead and pipeline management. Zoho excels at lead capture from multiple sources: your website, social media, and email. The interface is highly visual, letting you see your entire sales process as a clean Kanban board. This makes it easy for a small team to quickly prioritize prospects without needing an advanced degree in CRM administration. Workflow automation. This is where you save time. Even in the cheaper plans, you can use Zoho's automation tools to set up simple rules. For example, automatically assign a lead to the next available sales rep, or send a follow-up email 24 hours after a quote is sent. This moves your sales team out of spreadsheets and into a streamlined process. Zoho Zia AI. In the 2026 version, the built-in AI assistant Zia is a game changer for small businesses. Zia analyzes your lead data to predict which deals are most likely to close and suggests the best time to contact a prospect. For a small team with limited resources, this is like having a full-time data scientist telling you exactly where to focus your effort. The power of the ecosystem. Zoho One Advantage. Zoho CRM is not just a standalone product. It's the centerpiece of the massive Zoho ecosystem. For small businesses looking to consolidate costs, this is a huge advantage. When you use Zoho CRM, integration with their other 40-plus apps like Zoho Books for accounting, Zoho Desk for customer support, and Zoho Campaigns for email marketing is seamless and often included or deeply discounted within the Zoho One bundle. This unified platform approach eliminates the data silos and high integration costs that plague many small businesses trying to stitch together tools from different vendors. This is the definition of value for money if you plan on growing and expanding your software needs under one roof. Pricing breakdown: the free plan and paid tiers. The pricing structure is a key reason Zoho dominates the small business market. The free plan: this is arguably the best free CRM on the market. It supports up to 3 users and includes basic lead, contact, and account management, along with basic automation and customizable dashboards. This is a perfect risk-free starting point for startups and family-run businesses to test their processes. The limitation here is storage, very small, lack of advanced reporting, and no access to key AI features like Zia. The standard and professional plans start around $14 per user per month when billed annually. Once you move into the standard and professional tiers, the value skyrockets. The standard plan removes the 3-user limit and adds features like territory management and advanced reporting. The professional plan adds process management tools like blueprints, which let you create mandatory, repeatable sales sequences, which are essential for scaling your business consistently. The final verdict: who should use Zoho CRM? So, is Zoho CRM the best CRM for small business in 2026? Yes, it is the best value. You should choose Zoho CRM if you are budget conscious and need a completely free option to start. You plan to scale and value an affordable all-in-one ecosystem, Zoho One. You need a CRM that is highly customizable without needing complex coding knowledge. You might choose an alternative if you're an absolute beginner who wants the simplest, most minimal interface available, as Zoho's breadth of features can still feel a little overwhelming at first glance. For the vast majority of ambitious, growing small businesses, Zoho CRM provides an unbeatable combination of enterprise-level features, automation, and price. Call to action. If you're ready to centralize your customer data and streamline your sales, you can sign up for the free plan or start a free trial of their paid tiers. I've included the link below to get you started immediately. Go try it out and then let me know in the comments. What is the single most important feature you look for in a CRM for your small business?